The skills and qualifications required to become a robotics programmer include a degree and work experience. Colleges and communities, he recommends a relevant technical degree from a college to prepare him for this job. We recommend studying mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or computer science. Some schools offer degrees or post-secondary certificates in robotics or robotics studies. In some areas, such as robot programming for healthcare or medicine, a bachelor's degree in automation, robotics, computer programming, or a related subject may be required. Robotics generally consist of mechanical systems, electrical hardware, and embedded systems. The programmer's role is in embedded systems. The key here is to understand and process physical entities so that the robot can make the right decisions. A lot is programmed in robotics. Creating and coding path planning algorithms. Image processing for localization and recognition. Programming of control systems. Development of artificial intelligence. Creating an interface and driver for the robot, etc. Programming can focus on the following areas: microprocessor, microcontroller, must be familiar with register coding. It's a lot of work, but it makes you more efficient. Robot vision, here we need to know the principles of image processing. You can use OpenCV, MATLAB, etc. Artificial intelligence, this is the most interesting part in my opinion. Although it is difficult to see a robot learn from its environment and change its behavior. This is beyond happiness. Here you need to know the basics of machine learning. You can also create various software to control robots. Or software that can be easily coded by others, Arduino. In addition, some knowledge of how mechanical systems, devices, etc. work and a basic knowledge of electronics, digital electronics, goes a long way when programming and makes the job a little easier. A robot programmer's responsibilities include writing, testing, and modifying programs that control the behavior of robotic devices. Robot programmers are typically responsible for creating instructions for manufacturing or industrial applications using robotic software. They analyze drawings, blueprints, and manufacturing or assembly requirements before programming equipment. You may also need to physically set up and place robots in your workspace, test programs before starting work, and monitor progress to ensure quality during production runs or other processes. Now the verdict will come. We believe that robotics is a good place to start for students with no experience in either subject. The reason is that those exploring the world of STEM subjects should explore different fields and subjects to find out which one they like more. Robotics is a great application for practicing mechanics, electronics, and software to introduce children to these sciences. As he develops his skills in these subjects, he generally shows an interest and preference in one or more subjects. Then you can focus a little more on that area. That said, what they think of as a growing child can sometimes be misleading. For example, children exposed to play tend to think they like game programming, and children fascinated by building blocks think they like robotics better. Your desires may change suddenly. On the other hand, it has been observed that, after spending time on a topic and receiving positive feedback, students tend to put off their hopes. For example, some students are hesitant to start programming robots just